It's midnight, your presentation is due in the morning, and you're still stuck on a blank slide. We've all been there. So today, I'm putting 3 of the best AI presentation makers for PowerPoint in 2026 to the test to see which ones can actually save you time. One's built for speed, one's built for research, and one combines data analysis with slide design like nothing else out there. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best AI presentation tool in 2026. We're testing Google Gemini, NotebookLM, and Julius AI, and that third one genuinely blew my mind. Stick around, because number 3 is the one you don't want to miss. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. For this test, I'm using 3 academic papers on AI in education, and I'll run the exact same prompt across all 3 tools, asking each one to generate a 12-slide deck. I'm judging every tool on 5 things: output quality, whether you get an editable PowerPoint file, how well it builds slides from uploaded documents, data and chart capabilities, and how easy it is to make revisions. Let's start with Google Gemini. I'm on Gemini's official site. To create a presentation, I'll select Canvas, then upload my 3 academic papers. Once the files are uploaded, I'll type in my prompt, the same one I'll use across all 3 tools, asking Gemini to generate a 12-slide deck and pull specific details from the papers. I'll hit enter and let it process. Once it's done, let's open the presentation and see what we're working with. Here's the final result. The slides are generated, but they're not very visually appealing. There are a few charts, but they're pretty basic, not much detail in them. Overall, this deck feels simple and fairly plain. Now, here's the bigger issue. Gemini only lets you download your presentation as an HTML file. There's no option to export as PPTX, PDF, or any other format. And because of that, the slides are completely static. You can't edit the text, change the design, or modify anything directly. If you want to make a change, the only option is to select text on the slide and ask Gemini to edit it for you. That works, but it's slow and clunky, especially if you're trying to fine-tune an entire deck. So, Gemini's biggest drawback? No true editable export and a very manual editing process. Let's move on to the second tool, Google's NotebookLM. I'm on the official NotebookLM site. I'll start by creating a new notebook. From here, you can upload sources in a bunch of formats: PDFs, websites, files from Google Drive, and more. I'll upload the same 3 academic papers on AI in education. Once they're uploaded, I'll generate the slide deck. In the top right, there's an option to generate directly, but I want to use the same custom prompt as before, so I'll click into that option instead. NotebookLM gives you a few extra settings here. You can choose the length, the language, and the format of your slides. It also lets you describe exactly what you want each slide to include, which is a nice touch. I'll enter the same prompt, hit generate, and let it process. The result? NotebookLM actually produces a genuinely nice-looking slide deck, better designed than Gemini's. But there's a real problem when it comes to editing. If you want to change anything on a slide, you have to prompt it. And instead of updating just that one detail, it regenerates the entire slide from scratch. That makes even small edits time-consuming. For downloads, NotebookLM does support PPTX and PDF, which is already a step up from Gemini. Let's download it as a PPTX and take a look. Here's the downloaded file, and it's still completely static. You can't change a single word, and you can't even remove the watermark on the slides. Same story with the PDF export, fully locked, no editing possible. So NotebookLM creates better-looking presentations than Gemini, but the core problem remains: no editable output. Once it's downloaded, you're stuck with it exactly as generated. Now let's look at the tool that actually solves this problem, Julius AI. Julius AI is an all-in-one AI platform. It handles data analysis, website building, image generation, and more, but today we're focused specifically on its PowerPoint generation feature. What makes Julius different right away is that it comes with built-in templates. Gemini and NotebookLM choose the design for you. Julius lets you pick one that fits your style before you even start. I'll log in using Google or Apple. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. Julius offers a few different AI models to choose from. I'll go with Julius 1.2 Max for this test. Right below that, you can see all the tasks Julius can handle, but we're here for PowerPoint presentations specifically. Once selected, you'll get a range of slide templates to scroll through and pick from. Since I'm working with academic papers, I'll choose a template that fits that format. Next, I'll upload my files. You can pull them in from Google Drive, OneDrive, or straight from your computer. I'll upload the same 3 papers, then enter the exact same prompt I used with the other 2 tools, set my preferences, and hit Enter. Now, I'll let Julius process the request. This takes a little time, so let's fast forward to the result. And here it is, a genuinely impressive slide deck. The design is polished, the data visualizations are clean and detailed, and the slides feel comprehensive rather than bare bones. Julius also gives you strong sharing and export options. You can publish the deck directly or download it as PPTX, PDF, or Word. Let's download it as a PPTX file and check the real test editability. Here's the downloaded version, and this is where Julius pulls ahead of the other 2. This file is completely editable. I can change the text, adjust fonts, resize elements, and customize pretty much everything, just like a normal PowerPoint file you built yourself. That's the feature that sets Julius apart. With Gemini and NotebookLM, you're stuck with static, locked-down slides. With Julius, you get a fully structured, well-designed, and, most importantly, editable presentation. So after testing all 3 tools with the same papers and the same prompt, Julius AI comes out as the clear winner for creating PowerPoint presentations in 2026. It builds full, editable decks straight from a prompt or uploaded files, and you can export and open the final result directly in PowerPoint. No watermarks, no restrictions, no regenerating entire slides just to fix one detail. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. Let me know in the comments which tool you're using for your presentations. And if this helped, subscribe for more AI tutorials like this one.